In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make t-shirt mockups in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take your design and show it off on a realistic t-shirt scene, perfect for portfolios, online stores, or social posts. Start by opening Canva and heading straight to the templates area. You'll find it in the main navigation. This is where Canva stores ready-made layouts so you don't have to build everything from scratch. It's a quick way to get a professional look without spending hours on setup. In the search bar at the top of templates, type t-shirt mockups. You can try variations like t-shirt or T if you want more options, but t-shirt mockups usually brings up a strong collection. This narrows the entire library down to layouts designed specifically to showcase apparel, so your design will sit naturally on a shirt rather than floating on a plain canvas. Take a moment to browse through the results and compare styles. You'll see flat lay mockups, on-model photos, and simple front view tees. Hover to preview pages when available, and look for tags that indicate whether a template is free or requires a pro plan. Pay attention to the shirt color, the lighting, and the overall vibe. If your artwork is light, a darker tee helps with contrast. If your brand is minimal, a clean studio background beats a busy scene. This quick scan will save time later. When you find a layout that matches your look, click Customize this template. Canva will open it as a new design you can work on right away, keeping all the layers and elements intact so you can swap things without rebuilding. Now edit the template to make it yours. Replace the placeholder graphic with your t-shirt design. If you have a PNG with a transparent background, upload it and drag it onto the shirt area. Many templates include a dedicated placeholder or grouped elements for the garment. If so, drop your art on top and resize. Use the corner handles to scale, rotate slightly if the shirt is angled, and nudge with the arrow keys for pixel-accurate placement. The position tool helps you move layers forward or backward so wrinkles, shadows, or texture overlays stay above your design for realism. If the design looks too bold, try lowering transparency a touch to let fabric details show through. You can also change the shirt color with the color picker if the garment is a vector shape, and adjust the background to match your brand. Zoom in to 100% to check edges and spacing, keep important details away from the seams, and make sure text remains readable. That's it. Open templates, search t-shirt mockups, browse, customize, and edit until it looks perfect.